Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Here is a C panel. Is our Namecheap. You will see here is a Namecheap. Namecheap C panel. Here is the file manager. If I go the file manager, here is the file manager. If I go the public HTML, and if I find or search that's robot.txt file. Okay, robot.txt file. No, it is nothing. Or robot.txt file. So we have to create a robot.txt file in C Pannel in the Namecheap hosting and domain name. Okay, for the reasons we have to go our website, and that means your website, to create and generate a robot.txt file. Okay, so let's move. So you have to write a sitemap generator. Okay, here sitemap generator. Here is it XML sitemap generator. Just click here. I already created. So this is my domain. Okay, start. Here is starting. Scanning. Okay, just wait. Sitemap is generating. It is a very easy. This is going. Please wait. We are crawling your website. Is crawling my website and generated. Here is my website generated. Okay, 26, 27. There is 200 up my post. For the reasons is waiting and isolating for scan. By that way, you can create your sitemap, and next when it's completed, that time we have to download it, this sitemap, and after then we have to create it a robots.txt file. So keep watching and keep in touch. I will show you step by step. Okay. So working. Just wait. 81, 82, like that way. Just few minutes to finish. Just wait and see what is going on. Uh, it's a very long process because I have 200 more posts. For the reasons, it's delaying and taking time to scan and generate a sitemap. Okay, though this is a free XML sitemaps, everyone are using this site, and it's a very easy and very quite simple. So just waiting for complete the generator to generate my sitemap. Okay. I am expecting that it should be take a little more time. Just keeping watch how it is working. Sitemap XML generator. Okay. Okay, sitemap are all completed. So now we have to download it. Okay, to select view sitemap. So download sitemap file. Okay, we are downloading. Here is downloading. If I sitemap XML. Okay, it's done. And now we have to select again about a robot.txt file. Okay, here is a free robot.txt file, txt robots.txt generator. It's a free generator. So here allow crawl delay default allow sitemap. Here we have to write that our sitemap. Okay, so which sitemap already we have created. Say so this is very easy. So we have to write our domain and sitemap XML, same things, everything's. Okay, just create and download robot.txt file. Create and download robot.txt file. Okay, already we have created and downloaded the robot.txt file. And next, what we have to do in C Pannel. Okay, let's go. So our robot.txt and file and sitemap XML all are done. So we have to create robot.txt and sitemap in our C Pannel. Again, we have to go public HTML here, and you have to here is it upload. Click here upload, and then select file, and then we have to download it. Here is a robot. Okay, and then it is a XML, a robot and XML. Robot first time we upload it, it's uploaded, and select again that's XML sitemap XML. We can clear. Here is it. All are done. Okay, uploading. It's uploading. Not completed. Profile is here to start uploading. It's uploaded by completed. If we go to the C Pannel, if we refresh it, and that time we will see that's our robot.txt file, public HTML, and then here we can see this is robot.txt file and sitemap. So in this way we click here and edit. Here edit, and then we will edit robot.txt file here. So here disallow CGN, and here disallow targeted robot.txt generated by user agent here, and disallow CGN, and that's okay. You can write here disallow admin, any kinds of admin, it will be disallow here. Okay, so by that way we can write here. Okay, so here I write robot.txt generated by delete this user agent disallow wp admin. Allow wp admin is w646.com, and then disallow feed, and then you have to disallow CGN and sitemap like that. Okay, so here we can write disallow feed. So if I go there, you can see there is a feed, many things. Okay, so I have to wait 1 or 2 days to fix this in my C Pannel. If I show you here, I write. Okay, so save changes. I save the changes, success. Okay, so now we have to create a disallow feed. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. How can you create disallow feed in your C Pannel in Namecheap domain and hosting? Okay, thank you very much for watching.